Ang lubot niya man, nagatulo ng food.
Sige.
Sige lang, anak ko na.
Oops.
Ayun na, sapon ama. Kaya butangan pa niya.
Ano pa man anak?
Ayaw diha sa gawas. Honda chocolate only.
Mama, feel free to play with the chocolate. Same good ni nga molder dad, yung gipili, di gid siya mapilig lain.
Timaan siya. Okay, stop sama. Okay, so it's your turn.
Smile.
Now welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
Okay.
Smile.
Okay.
Welcome to my channel.
Okay.
So what are you doing there?
What are you doing? I'm
Making
putting.
I'm making a chocolate.
And then you're putting some.
Sprinkle.
Very good.
How about the ducks?
Here, the ducks. Then the eggs. Okay. And then marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Got it.
Woohoo.
I see this one. And I see this one.
Okay.
Here. I see marshmallow here.
Sige, marshmallow pa. Go.
Marshmallow.
Oh, marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Okay.
Here, oh na. Wala pa yung marshmallow here.
Here.
Mm-mm.
Here.
Tama na.
Tama na. Hindi, wala. Nag-sprinkle na yung chocolate.
Hulot na, wala na may molding. Wala na may... Utangin na nag-chocolate ma kay...
Okay.
Pwede pa ka-additional molding siguro dito. Puna agad ma.